Fish-tastic! Hey everyone! Welcome to Pearl's House Invention. Today I'm looking at the Crayola Color and Erase coloring book using markers. So let's get started. We have 16 pages of color. I'm gonna do this one with name. And we got a giant box of markers here. So let's get started. Today we having a coloring in the ocean. Let's color on fish first. She have your tail blue. And first, we have whale, orange, peach, let's color a fish orange. And the seashell pink. And the star orange peach. And the seaweed blue.
Working all day, overtime.
And let's color the octopus purple. Octopus. Let's color in the fish. Wow, so adorable. Fish-tastic. And let's color a Captain Shrimp orange. And let's color a swimming cell pink. And let's color all bubbles light blue. And first let's color in sand orange peach. And
That's Pearl's.
Sandcastle-tastic. And let's color a lemon puts purple. And firstly, let's color in the lake seaweed blue and the color of a lake. And lastly, let's color in borders red.
Where's the Crayola picture? How pretty. The Crayola picture. The Crayola picture.
Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, colorful. What the? Swimming ocean animals. I love the color of picture inside. Look how ocean animals is the best. Hey everyone, before we get started, we're gonna hit that bell button, watch some video days.